Pulver here with you know the rest. So this is the first video in the new series about what your boss won't tell you. I'm going to get very honest and very real, but this last week I can say from personal experience that health is the most important thing you can ever have in your business. You know, you can sell 100 homes a year, you could be on stages in front of 50, 60,000 people, but if you don't have your health, realistically you have nothing. So feeling worse than I've ever done in my entire life, at home, stricken in bed for 2 days away from my family and my toddler, the most hardest thing of all, without seeing him for 2 days straight. I watch good friends of mine and colleagues here at EXP, where I have more shares than I do in any other company, and a good friend of mine, Jason Guessing, ring that bell there at the NASDAQ. I thought he was going to break it. At the same time, still laying in bed to see the biggest snowflakes out the window, randomly snowing in North Carolina now a couple of days later at 70 degrees. At the same time, the UK Brexits and leaves the European Union. Life still goes on, but when you don't have your health, you have absolutely nothing. Physical health, mental health, relational health. In this industry, there's a reason why the divorce rate is so high. If you have success, it's great. Is it sustainable? We all know in the property industry, most of us rent our careers. If we decided to retire tomorrow due to lack of health or due to wanting to go to another career, you have nothing to show for it. Few companies offer something different. But if you truly don't have your health in this industry, you have absolutely nothing. So personally, I learned the hard way just a couple of days ago, but look to prioritize your health. Like I said, mental health, relational health, physical health, collaborative health, whatever it is, prioritize your health so you can have a healthy career, you can do more, and you can be more. What are your thoughts on health? Do you have it? Do you prioritize your professional career above what you should do for your health? If that's the case, like some of us have done, look to change it. Promote your health. Whatever your boss tells you, tell them they need to put more time in their health. Be more, be exceptional.